Oh, and they
Okay,
have
so
poison ivy and poison oak here. You don't want to get on these because you're very itchy.
what are those?
They're just, I'll find some and I'll show you. It's all over the place. Your vines you can't touch. They make you itchy.
Oh, no. So, yeah. Ayan. 6:30 na po ng gabi dito. Pero tingnan nyo yung araw. Ang liwanag, parang umaga. Hanggang 8 o'clock, ganyan po yung araw dito. Yan. Wendell is going there to the main gate to close it kasi hindi namin siya sinara kanina. So, yan. Wala namang pumupunta ng mga magnanakaw dito kasi doon sa harap ng gate na yon merong CCTV, may alarm. So, pag hindi kilala yung sasakyan, nag-a-alarm sa loob ng bahay. Ayan. So, I can say na parang probinsya ang dating dito, pero probinsya na may technology. Ayan. So, itong buong lugar na ito, ayan, and then tignan natin yung kuan ha, kabila. Ayan, hanggang doon, nakikita nyo yun, dating maid's quarter daw yun, yung bahay na yun. Dating maid's quarter nila Wendell. So, then, meron sila dating bahay dito, kaya lang, dahil luma na, so giniba, and then tinayo yon yung bahay kung saan kami naka-stay. Ayan, so, it's 120 acres na property nila. Very pretty. No wonder why si Wendell gusto niyang tumira sa ganitong lugar. Tahimik nga naman. Kakapagpahinga ka. Wala nang iistorbo sa'yo. No? Tapos, maganda yung panahon. Ayan na si Wendell. Ayan. So, siguro pag kami pumunta sa Wisconsin, dadaan kami dun sa unang property nila. Yung talagang farm nila na bago nila nabili to, meron silang property sa Wisconsin na malaking hektarya din yun eh. Binili ng dad niya kasi yung dad niya after Daddy Wendell Sr. is retired as Major Sergeant?
Sergeant Major.
Oh, Sergeant Major. Sorry, baligtad. Sergeant Major sa Army. And he was in the Vietnam War.
And the Korean War.
Oh, Korean?
Both.
Or
Korean
both?
first and then the Vietnam War.
So, Korean and Vietnam War. Sumalo siya ng mga sharpnels. Right?
Huh?
He had sharpnels on his...
Yeah, he got wounded. Purple Heart, yeah.
Yeah, so... And then, nung binomba yata yung Vietnam noon, isa siya sa mga naging casualties na nagkaroon ng lung problem.
He was a hero. He pulled people out of a shot-down helicopter.
Yeah, Mom was saying that she was yung love story ng biyanan ko tsaka ni late Daddy Wendell Sr. was so good. You know, kinukwento niya sa akin kagabi. And brought tears in my eyes kasi talagang he's a hero, you know. Sabi nga ni Mama Carol, he's my hero. So, only Daddy Wendell changed because he had PTSD post-war something.
Yeah.
You know.
Did, yeah.
So,
He did.
Yeah, naging ano yata siya noon, parang ibang tao. Well, pero he is really a hero. Marami siyang nailigtas na mga kapwa niya sundalo. Kaya there was a time that when you were 7 years old, you were in the newspaper, you were snapping salute to, and Daddy Wendell Sr. was still alive that time.
Yeah, he was living
and he was in the parade.
No, he wasn't. He was in Vietnam at the time.
Oh, at that time he was in Vietnam?
He was in Vietnam, yeah.
Oh, okay.
67 to 68, I think.
Well, and then the father of Mama Carol is a colonel.
Yes. in the Air
He is a
Force.
colonel in the Air Force, and they live in Clark Air Base when she was 5 years old. So, naging tahanan nila ang Clark Air Base. 5 years old siya, nandun sila. That's why Mama Carol's heart is very close to the Filipinos because she experienced hospitality of Filipinos while they were there. Isa si, what's the name of Grandpa? Great-grandpa?
Ralph Wright.
Ralph Wright. Not left?
No.
Okay, he's right. So, Colonel
Ralph Wright.
Colonel Ralph Wright, he is a colonel in the Air Force. So, isa siya sa mga ginamit ni Lord upang ma-liberate ang Pilipinas sa mga, I think the Spanish or World War II, right? That's World War II when Mom and her dad is in the Philippines.
Right before 38.
Before.
38, 39, 40. So I think Pearl Harbor was bombed in December of 41. So they came back to the States, I think, before the bombing of Pearl Harbor. Probably came back in 40.
Yeah. So basically,
They rode a ship and they went through a typhoon.
yeah, so it's like we Filipinos became part of your lives. You know, you,
In a way,
Mom,
yes.
and yeah, so that's why natuwa nga ako sa sinabi ng biyanan ko eh. She's so happy to see me. It's like
because you
I'm
love the Lord and you love me, and that's
I'm a darling.
Yeah.
Parang ganun. Yeah.
I'm so proud of Tim and I and just our accomplishments in our life. 2 different ways, but just still so proud of us. And we try to take care of our family as best we can, help them.
Yeah. So
I moved